Welcome back to Two Broke Euro Owners. Today we're going to be doing a video replacing our suction pump. Looks like a little T valve. It's got a little check valve in it. And our PCV valve on our 4.2 liter FSI Q7. Now the reason why we're doing this is because I got a code for mechanical brake boost. We will show you in the video the exact code description and now. And we're back. So the reason why we're doing this is because we got that code and I replaced the canister. Let me grab that quick. I forgot to grab that. Okay. So we replaced this guy already, just part of that that code. So usually if these go bad, they'll get stuck or whatever. They'll throw that code. We replaced it, still got the code. So the next thing is that these can get stuck open or stuck closed, and that'll also cause that code. So I had taken this off once before, and that check valve was stuck open. We were able to free it up and get it to actually work a little bit, but it was kind of hit or miss. I just tried throwing it in there, see if we can get away with it for a little while until we ordered a new one. So now we have the new one, and we're gonna throw that in there.
There's actually one more thing. In the description for that T valve, it said that it could possibly cause misfires.
Yes. So this can cause misfires if it fails. Also, it's supposed to help remove the pressure from the crankcase. And if this isn't doing what it's supposed to do, you can overpressurize the crankcase and it'll actually cause oil leaks. And we've been getting a little bit of an oil leak out of this. So hopefully when we replace this, it solves that issue as well. So what do you think? Oh, and the reason why we're doing this is maybe it'll help, maybe it won't, but we're already going to be removing it to replace this part, so why not? It was like 50 bucks, I think. Vaco brand. Yeah, Vaco brand. A little bit of cheap insurance, I guess. So here we go. So we stopped our time lapse to give you a little bit more in-depth description of what's going on here. So one of the parts we're replacing is the PCV valve. In time lapse, you probably saw us remove it from right here. This is where it's located. So all it is just your O-ring. It's pressed in there. You have two bolts. They are, do you remember what size they were, Cody?
T30.
T30. Okay, they were T30 bolts. Yours might be different. Sometimes they change, but yep, it's as easy as removing those two bolts and then popping it right off. So that's that. This is the old one. We'll be putting the new one in when we get there. So for right now, we're replacing, trying to remove. So that's our T valve right here, which, so actually I wouldn't even need to remove that hose down here. We'll just replace it from right here. That'll be easy enough. So that's the, what the heck was it called? Pump, suction pump. Remove this hose from up top. So all we gotta do is remove this, replace it with our new one, and then put our new hose clamps on, and then put it back together. Almost done. There you have it, guys. It was an easy job to do, about half-hour job if you know what you're doing, and Didn't give you a whole lot to go off of, but just from the time lapse, you guys should be able to figure it out from there if you ever have to do that job. So if this video helped you out, any other videos help you out, please like and subscribe, because we could use a lot more subscribers. And we will see you on our next video.